In this video, the quant price in the 4-hourly time frame has formed this head and shoulders pattern, and in this video, I'll mention my exact targets and my expectations. Aside from this pattern, I'll also talk about the weekly time frame. But before I do so, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to consider subscribing to the channel. It only takes like 2 seconds of your time, and it really means a lot to me. Let's begin. So right now we are inside the 4-hourly time frame, and I have a quick warning because in the 4-hourly time frame, the quant price has formed this head and shoulders pattern, a very clear pattern right here. This is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and the neckline is right here at the 123 US dollar level. If we break below this level, that's a break below the neckline. It's going to be dangerous for the quant price in the 4-hourly time frame. Now let's mention the targets. So if the quant price breaks to the downside of this neckline right here, then the expected target for this head and shoulders pattern is a dump to the downside towards 117 US dollars. That's in the 4-hourly time frame. Now, however, of course, this pattern can be invalidated. This doesn't play out all the time. So just be warned that if we do break to the downside of this neckline, that is a target mentioned right here at 117 US dollars. But of course, not all patterns play out. Now let us move to the weekly time frame. I'll just make this video really quick, but in the weekly, I also mentioned, I also mentioned 2 scenarios. I mentioned the bullish case and the bearish case. The bullish case is right now we are on track for the wave 3 in the weekly time frame right here, targeted at 400 US dollars. And to confirm this move to the upside, we must break above the swing high right here at 193 US dollars. That's acting as resistance, and so far we haven't even tested that important level just yet. So right now we're still waiting for confirmation. And I also mentioned the bearish scenario, which is that this is right now a corrective wave to the upside before continuing to the downside, forming a lower low in the weekly time frame. Now this is not yet confirmed, but I spotted this bearish pattern in the weekly, which is this broadening wedge right here. Yes, a clear broadening wedge. A break to the downside of this broadening wedge is gonna signify or confirm that we may be dumping to $94 until 79 US dollars. That is the target of this broadening wedge. But of course, if we don't break to the downside, that it's not confirmed and it can be invalidated. Yes, this pattern can be invalidated if we don't break to the downside. So just a key thing to look out for in the weekly is if we do break above this important level right here, the swing high at 192 US dollars. So that's going to be the confirmation for the move to the upside for the wave 3, targeted at 400 US dollars. But a failure to do so, a failure to break this swing high right here, may increase the chances of us moving to the downside, and this being a corrective wave to the upside before continuing to the downside, forming a lower low. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, so don't forget to sign up and buy Bit using my affiliate link, and you guys can get up to $30,000 in bonus as well as 0 fees. And don't forget to join my Discord server where I post daily market signals and updates to my videos.